What is an unmet need? If you have an idea for a product or solution that will solve a problem that users have, the first thing to do is to prove that the problem needs solving. You need to ask target users what problems they have with the existing product or solution, what are their major pain points with the current solution, and what do they like. This process of discovery and validation is what allows to reveal the real unmet need that is worth solving, and that if solved, will make the majority of users adopt your proposed solution. For healthcare, we would say what it takes to change clinical practice. In healthcare, no matter how confident you are in your product idea, you must be able to prove the problem is a real one that needs solving. Validating the problem requires you to answer the following key questions. How is the problem currently addressed or solved? Who would be positively or negatively affected if my product were adopted? To answer these questions, you must try to better understand the patient's journey as it relates to the problem.